Hey, what's up everyone? Wanted to hop on here, do a quick video, honest review of the Honest Kids organic apple juice, Appley Ever After, or as my youngest likes to call it, the duck juice. Because obviously we have the duck made of apples on the box. Now, we just picked this up, so then we got this came in the 40 count variety, and it's all apple juice here, and it comes nicely shipped in this little box here, this little crate. And kind of the reason why we got this, the reason why, well, one, we got it because our kids absolutely love this juice. It is organic. There's no added sugar, so it's not terrible for them. We just can't let them overconsume because, I mean, apple juice, even in its natural form, does have sugar. But it is something they love it, and we figured I mean, the boxes last less than a sitting. Sometimes it's multiple boxes per sitting, and buying them individually at the store started to make no sense. So we decided to buy them in bulk on Amazon, save a little bit of money, and if depending upon how fast they go, we might just do the subscribe and save. Now, one thing I do like about this too is that they do come packaged in these little bricks of 8, which is nice because then you can, if you're going on a trip or going on a long car ride, you can just grab a brick and throw it in, as opposed to having all these little loose boxes everywhere. And again, it makes it real easy to store these in a pantry. And overall, I think obviously the packaging has a little bit to do with it, but again, it's just the juice is good. My kids love the juice, and they do ask for it. Again, my youngest asks for the duck juice. So this is overall, it's a popular item. You can find it just about anywhere. They do actually give these out, at least at our McDonald's. This is what comes with the meals when you ask for apple juice. But again, you pay a premium for it, getting it in a meal. So now we can save some money and buy it in bulk, and then again, just pull this out of the pantry as opposed to paying a premium for it at the point of sale. So I recommend, if your kids do love these juice boxes, don't buy them one at a time anymore. Buy them in bulk like this, and you'll get a nice little cost savings from it. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.